Weight-bearing test, how to diagnose a TFCC tear. You need a non-digital scale, non-elastic tape, or the WristWidget. Digital scales do not work. Place non-injured wrist flat on the scale, elbow straight, and record number. Make sure your wrist is not rotated and the long finger is at noon. Place non-digital scale in front of the side you are testing, not in the center of knees. Make sure shoulder is above wrist, elbow should be straight. Test your injured wrist without tape. Place hand on scale, elbow straight, and record number. Do not exceed pain. You need non-elastic tape a 1/2 inch wide to tape injured wrist. Wrap tape around wrist 3 times. The first round should be to adhere the tape to the skin, the second round a little tighter, and the third round very snug. Make sure the tape does not go past the distal wrist crease and do not compress the ulna head. Do the same thing just proximal to the ulna head. First time around to adhere to the skin, the second time a little tighter, and the third time should be snug. Retest your weight bearing, record number, and do not exceed pain. If there's an increase in your weight bearing numbers, follow the protocol on WristWidget.com.